Good morning. Today we will learn briefly about slope. Slope is the measure of steepness of a line on a graph. Does anyone know how to calculate it? Yes?
To calculate slope, you do rise over 1, or change in y over change in x.
Good job. The formula is y in the second pair minus the y in the first pair divided by the x in the second pair minus the x in the first pair. When using slope, we always work from left to right. There are four major types of slopes: positive, negative, zero, and undefined. Math specialist is coming today to talk more about slope. Hi, how can I help you?
I need to go to the rec room for a presentation.
Okay, go to your right and then go straight to your left. Then you'll see the rec room.
Thank you.
Wait. You forgot your badge. Here you go.
Thank you.
Here she comes, students. Behave.
Hi, everybody. Today I'm going to talk to you guys a little bit more about slope. Who's excited?
No one cares.
Let's see about that. Did you know that slope can be very useful when building a road, skiing, or even building stairs? Anyway, I'm going to talk to you guys about positive slope now. When using positive slope, you move upward. An example is m equals 5 minus 1 over 2 minus 0, which equals 4 over 2, which also equals 2. This means that every time x increases by 1 anywhere on the slope, y decreases by 2. At any time x decreases by 1, y decreases by 2.
This is so boring.
Don't worry, Billy. She's not done yet. She's going to teach you, students, about negative slope. Can anyone tell me what it is?
It is basically the opposite of positive slope.
Good job! I bet you'll get a kick out of this. When using negative slope, you move downward. An example is m equals 3 minus negative 1 over negative 2 minus 1, which equals 4 over negative 3, which equals negative 4 over 3. This means that as x increases by 3, y decreases by 4. And as x decreases by 3, y increases by 4. We do this, we leave the answer as an improper fraction because then we can see the relationship between the x and y. The zero slope is when there is no slope or incline, or zero, and it goes horizontally. Would you like to add something?
Yes, sure. Maybe an example. An example is m equals 3 minus 3 over 2 minus negative 3, which equals 0 over 5, which equals 0. Since there is no incline or steep in the horizontal line, it is known as a zero slope.
Do your students know about undefined slope?
Yes, of course. It was a standard.
Well then, can someone tell me what it is?
Undefined slope is when there is not slope defined, but instead a vertical line.
Thank you, good job. An example is m equals 3 minus negative 1 over negative 1 minus negative 1. It equals 4 over 0, which is undefined. Any number divided by 0 is 0, therefore having an undefined vertical line over a slope.
There's one more concept. The slope-intercept form is the relationship of the slope and the intercept in a linear equation. The formula for this is y equals mx plus b, where b is the y-intercept and m is the slope.
Thank you. The point slope is a form of using slope to write linear equations. The formula for this is y minus y1 equals m times x minus x2, where m is the slope and x1 and y1 are specific points on the line.
Well, thank you for coming.
The end.